Today, I'll walk you through how to create a QR code for a Google Maps location using Canva, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to generate a QR code that links to your desired location, so you can easily share it with others. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. Once there, look for the app's icon, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on it. This will give you access to various Google services, including Maps. Next, click on Maps. This will take you to Google Maps, where you can search for any location you wish to share. Now, choose the specific location you want to share. For example, you might want to find your favorite coffee shop or a local park. Once you've located it on the map, click on the marker for that location. This will provide you with more options. After that, look for the Share button, usually represented by an icon that looks like an arrow pointing out of a box. Click on it. This will open a new window with sharing options. In this window, you'll see a link to the location. Click on the Copy Link option. This action copies the URL to your clipboard, allowing you to use it later. Now it's time to switch gears and head over to Canva. Open a new tab and go to the Canva website. Once there, look for the Create a Design button and click on it. Next, select Custom Size. For this project, we'll set the dimensions to 1080 pixels for the width. Then input 1080 pixels for the height as well. This will give us a perfect square canvas to work with. Once your custom size is set, click on Create New Design. This will open your blank canvas where we'll create the QR code. Now look for the Apps option on the left sidebar and click on it. This section allows you to access various tools within Canva. In the search bar, type QR code and choose the first option that appears. This will bring up the QR code generator. Now paste the link you copied from Google Maps into the designated field. This is the crucial step that connects your QR code to the location. After pasting the link, click on Generate Code. Canva will automatically create the QR code for you. You'll see the QR code appear on your canvas. Feel free to resize it as needed to fit your design preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Google Maps location using Canva. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.